Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a website.com account. First I have to open browser and from here we'll type website.com. Let me type. Okay, then sorry, my mistake. Okay, then enter. Okay, we are in website.com website and here you can see create my free website. If you check, you can see create my free website. Just click on it. Now here is some premium option and some free option. This is paid option and this is free option. If you have money, if you want to go with premium, then you have to click on this or this or this. But now it will ask you your name, email, username, password. I'm putting in a name, a random name. And for email I'm going to mail.tm and click on OK, and then email address, username and password. Click on sign on. Now it will sign up. Give some time. Okay, here is my new site. If I click copy and open in new tab, let me show you. Okay, this is the site. Okay, but it's not activate yet. We have to activate from here. Next. Okay, this is how you can create an website.com account. Hope it will work for you. Thank you for watching.